Hey guys, welcome back to my unboxing channel. This time I'll be unboxing my Canon EOS200D, which I recently purchased it, and I have been using it for a week. And I'll be in the next following video. I'll be giving about this review. So if you like my video, please subscribe it and give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. So here is our box. We open it and we find I have purchased a Hiffen lens for my 55 to 50 zoom lens. This costed me around 800 rupees. We keep it aside and in further I'll put it on the lens. Then we find a booklet of provided by Canon, and it's a big manual here, which is of no use, I think. Then it comes with a 16 GB free memory card. Here's the memory card. We'll put in the camera later. And this is the bill. Now we see the inside contents. And this is the charging cable, and this is the battery. Here it comes on the charging station from which we can charge our battery. It comes with a free DSLR bag, entry level SLR bag. The inside fabric is of red color and it's also well padded. Then it has a chain compartment for keeping other stuffs related with the DSLR. It has also velcro on both the sides, and at the back side also we have a little space to keep stuffs. Then here we have the body. We keep it aside. First clear all the things from the box. This is the 18:55 zoom lens, and this is the 55-50 lens. We keep the box aside. Then we have all the three items here. This is the 18-55 mm lens. It has the Canon branding on the lens cap. And at the back of the cap it has also image stabilization. This is it. Next comes the 55-50 zoom lens. It is well packed. So here is the zoom lens. We can see it ranges from 55 mm to 250 mm. Now I will be fixing the UV filter on it, which I have purchased with it. I think it is a necessary accessory for a zoom lens because it costs not too very high, but it has a reasonable cost, but to protect our lens it is very useful. So now we see the back of the lens. It is also the new lens with image stabilization. Earlier it didn't have any image stabilization, so when we zoom in it produced a lot of sound, but there is no sound at all now. Then you come across the body. It is very small compared to other DSLRs. It is even smaller than Canon 700D. I have already attached the steps to it. It has a full touchscreen and a variable angle display which makes us easy to make videos when we are shooting alone. It gives a very nice feel when you touch it, and it also very good plastic, so it never feels very cheap. There's the various buttons, and let's put the battery in it. You remove the cap. So here goes in the battery. And then comes the turn of the memory card, which we got free of 16 GB. I put it this way. It shows red light. Now we are ready to switch it on. It's in the intelligent auto mode. Now we put the 18:55 mm lens on it. First we remove the lens cap and then the lens cover from the camera. We see there is a white dot on the camera as well as the lens. So we match the white dots and rotate it clockwise till we hear a click. Now it's ready. We'll remove the lens cap. So it's in the automatic mode. Let me give you a sample. I will also provide the sample pictures at the end of this video. So here is the pic. This Canon 200D has new Digic 7 processor, which has also new display and new configuration, which somewhat looks like attractive. We am changing it to the guided mode, which is the new. Then we find the various mode like manual mode, night mode, aperture mode, shutter aperture mode. The touchscreen works very well and there is no problem handling it. It also helps in during the focusing of variable objects. Then we have the ISO wheel, which can also control the menu display. Then you come across it in the video mode. It has time lapse and everything. It records video at 60 fps, which is quite a good thing for this range mid-range DSLR. Then we have switch it off is the sensor cleaning. So here is it. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Here are the sample images. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.